Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another vlog. Thank you guys so much for coming back to another video. It's the busiest night of the year in Grande Prairie, Alberta. What am I talking about? Every November, downtown businesses in Grande Prairie have what is called Vegas Night, which is similar to a Black Friday sale, or in Jamaica we call it Grand Market. So we're gonna be going to Vegas Night downtown, check out some businesses, see what's going on in and around the heart of Grande Prairie, and of course we're using the opportunity, by we I mean Nats and I. Nats is cool.
I'm cool.
Using the opportunity to do a little walking tour with you guys to show you guys what Vegas Night is looking like right now in the city of Grande Prairie. If you guys are new here, take a second, hit that subscribe button. It's free. Smash a like on this video and leave a comment. If you're watching from Grande Prairie, let me know if you are a part of Vegas Night, or if it is that you're moving to Grande Prairie. Hopefully you enjoy the sights, scenes, and the vibe of Grande Prairie in this video. See you guys on the stretch. In case you guys are wondering what time it is now 7:15 p.m. Careful. Black Holly. Graffiti. Let's cross. You hear Crystal Sky? Oh yeah. I went to here today actually with Malika to pick up something. It's what is it exactly? I'll take a hot dog. Come on, you want a hot dog, babe?
Sports Dance Club.
Yeah?
Yeah. By donation.
Absolutely. What, hot chocolate? Hot chocolate.
Yeah.
We'll take some hot chocolate. Where's the hot chocolate line? Right here. Right here.
Hot dog and chocolate. The girls look global.
Yes. What club is this going towards?
The Diversity Dance Company.
Oh, dance company, gotcha. So you got your hot chocolate? I got my hot chocolate. Cheers. Oh, this is so nice. I haven't had this much colors in a while. Yeah?
This is nice. I like this. This is what I should be seeing on a regular traffic.
Traffic? You want to check out MTM? Let's see what's going on. Hello. It's going. Oh, that's us. There we are. Well, that was me. You guys busy?
You need to use the bathroom. I'm sure it's warm in there.
Yeah? This is the busiest downtown has ever been all year.
Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you.
Let's go over the other side because I'm going to the store. Yeah, the hot chocolate was really nice. Okay, let's go. Why did it take so long to change? I have no idea.
Hey, you're good at making me lose my mind, but I always come around, don't I?
Oh, true, great. You know, only if we check first. Wanna check out first? Okay.
And I know sometimes
Yeah, let's make a run for it.
down, but I always make you smile, don't I?
I have to go back to the sidewalk. Let's do it the right way. Oh, we can make a run too. We could have reached across the street already.
Figure it out, don't we? Yeah. We're like the waves on a big blue stormy sea. We're a little mystic, baby, kinda up and down, and we keep falling till we hit the ground, but then we
Hello.
get back up again. Yeah, we're a little mystic, baby, it's never getting boring when we
Let me guess, Justin, Jaden, Jared. Nice to officially meet you.
Yeah.
She speaks a lot about you.
Yes, I'm the name guy.
Yeah, oh, she said that too. You guys been busy tonight?
Yeah. It's picked up since I got here, I think.
Yeah. What's going on? I'm good. See.
Always get back up again.
What's two draws ticket? What's two draws? Yes. What's that? Gotcha.
So just name it, phone number, and then the number that matches the
Gotcha. Okay, you guys are busy? How was your first couple of weeks?
Oh, the first couple of weeks, just tonight hasn't been very busy.
Yeah.
The winner. Okay then.
Oh no.
Not a winner. You can fill out this whatever you want. You can fill out this
Fill out these
please.
ones, and then put it in the ones
Item.
that you want.
Yeah, what time do you start in the morning?
6 a.m.
What time is the latest best session?
Like 6 p.m. or 7 p.m. depending.
You need to go later than that. Oh, you haven't seen this finished judo, right? Oh, you want to see the finished judo? She hasn't seen it.
What's on Morgan 5?
Where do you drop it? Hey, Jared, where do we drop these things? So let's go to that store across the street. Rocky Mountain chocolate business.
I just wanted to study.
I think it's further down right here. Oh, you mean the... There it is. Clover Cove. I want to source adult participation. Yeah, it is. Yeah, I want to source adult participating. No, it's been there.
And then buying one from that too, because like, wasn't it like that?
It was yours the other day.
Happy holidays, Source Adults. I haven't been in there a while. Want to spin the wheel?
No losing in this game.
Yeah, let's give it a spin.
Spin the win. Yep, 25% off. Nice spin,
Let's see.
Yeah, 25. 25. Oh, that's so good. Greeting card with purchase uses like flow. After you purchase something, you get a free greeting card as well.
All right.
Okay. Have a good night.
Have a good night. You want to look? Yeah, let's take a look, yeah.
Welcome to Vegas tonight. Lots of sales up here and downstairs, so be sure to check them all out.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great evening, guys.
Somalia. Or something. Come in 9 seconds. Be careful. Baba black sheep. Sorry. Baba white sheep. Super block up beside that. What's up, good? And that's it, there ended Vegas night.
You got
Huh? And there you have it, guys. We walked for probably 45 minutes to 1 hour. Checked out a few stores. Yeah, that's Vegas night. That's the busiest downtown it's gonna be in Grande Prairie, but you know what it is? We like our small town. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. We're running back to the car because it's really cold. Please subscribe before you leave. Smash a like. And see you guys in the next video.